सर, आता आपण विरोधी पक्षामध्ये युती होणार की नाही होणार चर्चा करतोय, पण तुम्हाला काय वाटतं, सत्ताधारी पक्ष बीजेपी आणि मगो ह्याच्यामध्ये युती होईल का 27च्या इलेक्शनमध्ये?
बीजेपी एमजीपीची युती जावपाची चड शक्यता आसा. पण जातली ना जातली हें पळोवचें पडटलें. कित्याक आतां ते आशेल्यात आमकां हे सीट जाय, द सीट्स आर कन्फ्लिक्टिंग, which is BJP, they also are, MGP is also strong. So you have to watch the game, what is happening. Like you take it now in your Mandre. Till now, Jeet is where he is. So we'll have to watch whether Jeet will join the BJP or for advantage for Jeet, especially to get the minority vote, which is quite close to. For him to continue in MGP is advantage. But we'll have to wait and watch how it is happening. Like in Bijolin, there is a quite strong chances of Shetty joining the BJP. Yes. If he does not join the BJP will put a candidate. So I think that Shetty is aware that he cannot play for too long. That is how it is.
आणि समजा आता MGP आणि बीजेपीची युती झाली तर अपक्ष आमदार शेट्ये म्हणा किंवा वाज किंवा आणि आमचे कुडतरीचे आमदार ते त्यांचं भवितव्य काय?
शेट्टी तुका सांगलाय, पूण प्रॉब्लेम इज वाज अँड युअर रेजिना. नाव ते म्हणटाले की आमी बीजेपी रावत लोक मातशे ना, एस्पेशली मायनॉरिटी. आता मायनॉरिटीक खबर ना हिंका मारून हे परतून बीजेपी वयता म्हणून हो व्हडलो प्रश्न. कितलो तूं फटयतले लोकांक. इट इज अ व्हेरी ट्रिकी सिच्युएशन. Aton was, he is also quite strong as a candidate himself. But then, will the BJP allow it? Is the BJP also knows that its weakness? It is better to support was because we will automatically get the support for the government. They will strategically play. They know how to play the game. Whereas Congress is left fighting among themselves only. Forget alliance partners. Among themselves only there is confusion. That is the position.
Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe.